Well, it's October 27th today, and it is...
It's harvest today.
Yeah.
And we are bringing the corn to the feed mill.
Yep. Is this our first drive to the feed mill?
Yep, first drive before school.
Hudson has to go to school today.
Yeah.
Yep. But it's the start of the week, and it's going to be a great week, isn't it?
Yeah.
And did we get to harvest yesterday?
Yep.
And it went well, didn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're going to be unloading some corn. Hudson will have to get heading to school, but it's going to be a good week. It's going to be a great day. See, I thought I would turn the camera around to me, but it's such a glare, so yeah, gonna keep going, get some more combining in, but get the wagons delivered at least. There was 65,000 pounds on those two wagons, so we'll see what the next two have. Well, it's the first official day of Harvest 25. Got a chance to get everything going yesterday. You've seen that in the previous video, but it's October 27th today, and it's time to see what all we can get done. Should be a good day. Time to get the combine started, get her warmed up. Got some glass cleaning to do. Go. Yeah, time to get to work. been going good so far. I haven't had as many videos with me talking, just because it's nice to start out just paying attention to the head, make sure everything's working okay. Obviously I've gotten some video, but not really narrating or anything, but who really wants to listen to me talk anyways? So, dumping another load. Let's see, this would make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 were filled up yesterday, so then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be 9 and 10 at 6,000 bushels between yesterday and today. That's not too bad. But I'm gonna keep going in an area of the field while the deals were looking really, really good, and then I finally decided to just pull off the Band-Aid and do the end rows, so that brought it down some. Right now we're at 155 for the field. Hoping maybe that bumps up to maybe 160 now that the end rows are off, but we'll see. It's nice for any of the farmers that watch this. Once you get the end rows off, it's so much nicer. I'm tired of trying to go around corners or navigating limbs and all that. So far so good. I'm gonna keep going and maybe get these 2 delivered, maybe 2 more delivered, and then I'll fill up 4 for tomorrow, which will be nice. Yeah, good. Okay, so it's time to switch fields. This is called the Pond Sand. It's just a little 3-acre field. Corn. Now, I am using my planting maps to track varieties. So I import the maps, automatic region changing, and then voila. Now we'll track. I'm already missing the bigger field where I had the end rows off. It's not terrible, but yeah, just getting around the edges and dealing with the lower yields, a little bit higher moisture. That is what it is. But it will be good to have these end rows off. A lot dirtier than I thought it was. But overall, it's going well today. I'm thankful my mom is hauling the gravity wagons. We did a lot today, so well deserved. Hopefully semi-early night, and then yeah. But I got a lot hauled today, and actually I was looking back through the historical yields, and this the bigger field that I was just on. This was actually the best year out of every year, so that's good. So we'll see if it continues, but get around these edges.